Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring 15 essential phrasal verbs that all start with the letter U. Phrasal verbs add depth to English, so let's dive right in and discover these together. Use up. To deplete or exhaust a resource. For example, I've used up all the printer paper. Utterly confused. To be completely puzzled or bewildered. Like, the complex instructions left me utterly confused. Upset about. To be emotionally disturbed or distressed about something. You might say, she's upset about the exam results. Undertake a project. To start or commit to a project or task. For instance, they decided to undertake a major renovation. Urge on. To encourage or push someone to do something. For example, his friends urged him on to take the stage. Undergo surgery. To have a medical operation. Like, she had to undergo surgery to remove her appendix. Use as. To employ something for a particular purpose. You might say, you can use this tool as a wrench. Uncover a secret. To reveal or discover a hidden secret. For instance, the detective worked hard to uncover the secret. Upend the status quo. To change or disrupt the existing situation or system. Like, the new policies aim to upend the status quo. Undo a mistake. To correct or reverse a mistake that has been made. You might say, he had to undo the changes he made to the document. Uphold a decision. To support or maintain a decision or judgment. For example, the court decided to uphold the verdict. Urge for change. To strongly desire or advocate for change. Like, there's an increasing urge for change in environmental policies. Upturn in the economy. To experience a positive change or improvement in the economy. You might say, the country is hoping for an upturn in the economy. Undermine confidence. To weaken or erode someone's confidence or trust. For instance, his constant criticism began to undermine her confidence. Unlock the potential. To discover and make use of one's full abilities or potential. Like, education can help unlock the potential in every student. And there you have it. 15 phrasal verbs starting with U. Incorporate these into your conversations to enhance your English fluency. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more language learning content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy learning!